Hello, my name is Dr. Joanne Vizzini, and I'm usually called Dr. V. And I'm here today to tell you about a wonderful workshop I'm giving next Friday. It's next Friday, and it's going to be virtually done, as I'm sure you expected, through the Ferenz Institute. It's called ScreenPlay, How to Help Parents Teach and Reach Their Children in the Digital Age. We all know that we see children on our phones because we have something we have to do and we give it to them. We have children who have their own iPads, iPods, and you did iPad. So here we are with children on screens for many, many hours. You'll learn about what's really recommended by the American Pediatric Society and the Canadian Pediatric Society. Children have their own laptops now, or they have to have something to do their schoolwork on. They have to do their homework with this, and it's not easy to get them away from those video games. So there's practical ideas I'll be giving to you so that you can help families, and that you're going to learn some new devices for you and ways to care for the body that's being used when we're on devices. I can't wait to see you there virtually. Next Friday, June 19th, go to that Ferenz website as soon as you can. It'd be great to see you there. Bye-bye.